1. If you're a fan of classic cars, then you won't want to miss out on this stunning 1966 Chevrolet Caprice classic that's currently up for sale. With only 74,000 miles on the odometer, this beauty has been well taken care of and is in excellent condition. The exterior of the car is a sleek gray color that's sure to turn heads, while the interior is a beautiful blue that's both comfortable and stylish. The car has an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it both practical and fun to drive. One of the best things about this car is that it's a number-matching vehicle, meaning that the engine and transmission are the original ones that came with the car. The 327 V8 turbofire motor and Powerglide transmission are both in great condition and run smoothly. The car has had only 2 owners and comes with a clean title, so you can rest assured that you're getting a reliable and well-maintained vehicle. The seller has even included some spare parts with the car, making it an excellent project for anyone who loves working on classic cars. Overall, this Chevrolet Caprice is a fantastic find for any classic car enthusiast. With its beautiful exterior, comfortable interior, and reliable engine, it's sure to provide you with years of enjoyment. And at only $6,000, it's an affordable option for anyone looking to add a classic car to their collection. So don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 2. If you're in search of a classic car that will stand out from the rest, then this 1974 Mercury Capri convertible could be the perfect choice for you. It is currently available for $9,500 and is ready for weekend drives. This Capri convertible features a bright yellow exterior that grabs attention and makes it unique among other classic cars. Additionally, it comes with a clean title, ensuring you won't have any document-related issues. The car is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It has already covered 170,000 miles, but its current owner has maintained it well over the past year. Moreover, it has had only 2 owners, indicating its reliability and good care. The interior of the car is in good condition and features a red color scheme. It lacks significant damages or problems, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable and trustworthy classic car. While the car may need some minor improvements to reach perfection, we are confident that its classic style and unique exterior will be highly appreciated by classic car enthusiasts. Additionally, it is already fully paid, allowing you to avoid financing issues. Overall, we believe that this Mercury convertible could be an excellent choice for those looking for a classic car for weekend drives. Don't miss this opportunity and take it home today. 3. If you're looking for a classic car that is perfect for daily use, this 1984 Lincoln Town Car could be an ideal choice for you. It is currently available for $5,500 and is ready to hit the road. This town car comes in a green exterior and green interior, both of which are in good condition. Additionally, it has a clean title, ensuring you won't encounter any documentation issues. The car is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It has already covered 87,000 miles, but its current owner has kept it in good condition and performed all necessary maintenance tasks. For instance, they have replaced the water pump, left upper control arm, thermostat, fuel pump, throttle position sensor, temperature sensor, and fuel filter. It also comes with new BF Goodrich tires. All windows and doors in the car function properly, and a wireless radio station has been installed. While all climate control functions work, the air conditioning is not operational. Even though the air conditioner is not working, we are confident that its classic style and reliability will be highly appreciated by classic car enthusiasts. Moreover, it is fully paid off, eliminating any financing concerns. Overall, we believe that this town car could be an excellent choice for those seeking a classic car for daily use. Don't miss this opportunity and make it yours today. 4. Do you love classic cars? Then you can't miss out on this legendary model, the 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This car is in excellent condition and has only 300 miles on it. The automatic transmission ensures smooth and comfortable driving, while the black exterior gives it a unique atmosphere. Equipped with a powerful 350 engine and a new 4-barrel Elderbrock carburetor, this Camaro has numerous enhancements, including multiple lift angles that provide excellent handling and stability on the road. This car is already fully paid off, making it the perfect choice for those seeking a classic car without financial commitments. The seller accepts cash or trade-ins for a Corvette, classic car, or hot rod. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this icon of the American automobile industry at an incredible price of $9,000. The Camaro Z28 is a true find for collectors and enthusiasts of classic cars. Take a look at it today and see its magnificence for yourself. 5. Do you love vintage cars? Then you will definitely appreciate this 1984 Chevrolet Caprice, which is currently available for sale for $8,000. This car has only 25,700 miles on it and is in excellent condition. The Caprice is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It has a brown exterior and brown interior, creating a classic and elegant look. The car has had 2 owners, and it is now fully paid off. The seller reports that the Caprice runs perfectly, but to pass the emissions test, the catalytic converter needs to be replaced. Additionally, the car is in excellent working condition. It features a 2-pump, 8-battery system that provides a powerful sound. However, the interior needs some minor restoration, but all the necessary components are present. If you are seriously interested in purchasing this car, please contact the seller for additional information. Overall, this Chevrolet is an excellent choice for vintage car enthusiasts looking for a reliable and classic car at a reasonable price. Don't miss this opportunity and take a look at this wonderful car today. 6. If you're looking for a classic truck, then this 1972 Ford F250, listed for sale at $10,000, could be the perfect choice for you. This vehicle has only 90,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission. This F250 features a blue exterior and the original Ford FE 390 engine running on gasoline. The seller reports that they have added a sniper fuel injection system to ensure quick and reliable engine starts. However, they also mention that the starter needs replacement as it has issues starting. Having had several owners, this vehicle is now fully paid off. The seller notes that they love this truck, but it is not used frequently, leading them to the decision to sell it. They are not in a hurry to sell, so they are not considering low offers. Overall, this Ford F250 is an excellent choice for classic truck enthusiasts seeking a reliable and sturdy vehicle. While it requires a starter replacement, it boasts an original engine and a sniper fuel injection system for dependable starts. 7. If you're a fan of classic American muscle cars, then you're going to love this 1973 Ford Torino. This beauty has been driven 86,321 miles and is still running strong. It features an automatic transmission and a powerful V8 engine that will take you wherever you need to go. The exterior of this car is a sleek black that is sure to turn heads. The interior is in great condition and has a classic look that will transport you back in time. The seller has taken great care of this car and has made sure that it has all the classic details that you would expect from a car of this era. One of the best things about this car is that it has a clean title. This means that you won't have to worry about any hidden issues or problems that might come up down the road. The seller has priced this car at $7,900, which is a great deal for a classic car of this caliber. If you're interested in taking a closer look at this 1973 Ford Torino, the seller is available this weekend for you to come and check it out. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history. With its classic styling, powerful engine, and clean title, this car is sure to be a hit with collectors and enthusiasts alike. So come on down and take it for a spin today. 8. Check out this stunning 1979 Cadillac Deville sedan, a true classic that has been well maintained and is now available for sale. With only 90,000 original miles on the odometer, this beauty is in excellent condition and ready to hit the road. The exterior of this Cadillac is a rich, deep brown that is sure to turn heads, while the interior is a luxurious burgundy that will make you feel like royalty. The automatic transmission makes for a smooth and easy ride, and the car is currently sitting on 24-inch rims that add a touch of modern flair. But don't worry, the original wheels with matching Cadillac hubcaps are also included in great condition and with no dents. This vehicle has been garage kept and babied when driven, so it has no significant damage or problems. The title is clean and the car is paid off, so you can drive away with confidence. The seller is asking $9,500 oboe or is willing to trade for a daily driver around the same price. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. The title is in hand and the seller is ready to make a deal. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 9. Take a look at this wonderful 1985 Buick Riviera, listed for sale at $4,000. This automatic transmission car features an elegant white exterior and a beautiful red interior. It has been stored in a garage for many years and belonged to one family, so its interior is in excellent condition. We have installed a new set of tires, and the only corrosion present can be seen in the photos. Although the car needs some maintenance, you can hop in and drive away today. The engine runs smoothly without any knocks or clicks. Don't miss the opportunity to visit Tennessee Classic Auto in Smyrna. This Riviera is a classic car that will be a perfect addition to any collection. Its stylish exterior and comfortable interior ensure that you will take pride in owning it. It can be purchased at a very attractive price, and it is ready to drive right now. Don't miss this unique opportunity to become the owner of this wonderful car. 10. Check out this 1984 Ford LTD, a true classic that has been well maintained and is now available for sale. With only 114,000 miles on the odometer, this beauty is in great condition and ready to hit the road. The exterior is a pristine white, while the interior boasts a stunning blue color that is sure to turn heads. The automatic transmission makes for a smooth and easy ride, and the fuel type is a unique feature. This car runs on propane. In fact, it's one of only 500 factory LP-powered cars made in 1984 and was originally available only to fleets, not the general public. The car is in excellent condition with no significant damage or problems. The seller has stated that it runs, drives, and stops perfectly, or is ready for a 5.0 swap if you are looking to upgrade the engine. The power steering, power brakes, and power locks are all in working order, and the air conditioning will keep you cool on those hot summer days. The car was originally a Florida car, and it shows. The body is solid with only some minor bubbling in a couple of spots. The shock towers are in great shape, and the clean title is a testament to the car's history. At just $1,500, this LTD is a steal. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history that is sure to turn heads and provide a reliable ride for years to come. Contact the seller today to schedule a test drive and see this beauty for yourself. 11. Check out this 1984 Volkswagen Rabbit, a true classic in the world of vintage cars. With its red exterior and red interior, it's a head-turner that's sure to catch the eye of any car enthusiast. This manual transmission vehicle has been driven 132,326 miles and is in good condition with a clean title. It runs smoothly and idles well, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking for a vintage car that's still in great shape. The Rabbit has some new features that make it stand out, including a new battery, ST coilovers, and BBS wheels. The tires are in good condition, and the car has Corrado front brakes for added safety. There are a few things that need to be taken care of, such as an alignment, a clutch cable, and a shifter bushing kit, but these are minor issues that can be easily addressed. There is some rust on the car, but it's nothing tragic and can be easily fixed. The headliner is starting to show its age, but the seats are all in good condition, including the MK2 front seats. The car was originally an AC car, but it has been deleted. Overall, this Volkswagen is a great find for anyone looking for a vintage car that's still in good condition. It's located in Louisville, Kentucky, and the seller is willing to consider trades for a good four-door Rabbit. So if you're a fan of vintage cars, don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For just $7,000, this Rabbit can be yours. 12. Check out this stunning 1985 Lincoln Town Car, a true classic in the world of luxury vehicles. With its silver exterior and gray interior, it's a sleek and sophisticated ride that's sure to turn heads. This automatic transmission vehicle has been driven only 92,000 miles and is in pristine condition with just one owner and a clean title. The town car has been well maintained and has no significant damage or problems. It runs and drives as good as it looks, thanks to recent maintenance work, including new valve cover gaskets and an oil pan gasket. The engine purrs like a kitten, and the ride is smooth and comfortable, making it the perfect car for long road trips or cruising around town. The interior is immaculate, with plush gray seats that are still in excellent condition. The dashboard and controls are all in great shape, and the car comes with all the amenities you'd expect from a luxury vehicle, including power windows, power locks, and air conditioning. The exterior is equally impressive, with a gleaming silver finish that's been well cared for over the years. The chrome trim and accents add a touch of elegance, and the car's overall appearance is one of timeless sophistication. Overall, this town car is a rare find, and it's priced to sell at just $9,900. If you're a fan of vintage luxury cars, don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. With its clean Carfax report and title in hand, you can drive away with confidence, knowing that you've made a smart investment in a car that's sure to turn heads and provide years of reliable service. So come on down and take a closer look at this beautiful town car today.